How to see incognito history on Chrome. Hello, what's up, everybody? If you are wondering how you can view your incognito history, you may follow this method. So, first thing you can do is go ahead and access your Chrome application, open it up. And then once you open it up, you need to go ahead and open up your private browser, your incognito browser first. For that long, you may head over to the three dot at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, you should be finding a new incognito tab. You can just tap on it and open up your new incognito tab. For now, I'm just not opening it up. And once you have opened up your incognito tab, the next thing you need to do is just go ahead and search for Chrome. And you should be finding this Chrome slash Chrome URL. So just go ahead and look out for this option right here and open it up. So you need to do this under your Chrome incognito mode. So once you are under there, look for the history option. If you have that option, usually it is located in the section right here, right below histogram. So look out for that option and just go ahead and tap on it. And once tapped on it, it should probably show you the results. So that is it for now. You may follow up the same method in order to look out for your Chrome incognito history as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.